Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Precision and I want to give you an update on this unit that I have in. So on January the 30th, I purchased and installed this right here. The Instant Up Down Pony and Half Wig UD10. At the end of that video, I did say that I would definitely be wearing this unit for over a week. 2 weeks is the goal. However, I'm getting antsy because I have so many different hairstyles that I am able to do. And I love to change my hairstyle a lot. But I will say, for the fact that I've had it in for 7 full days, I think the unit is doing well. Now, let me just warn you, okay? This hair does get frizzy and puffy. It will puff out, okay? Because I want you to see, look how it's puffed out a lot. And the hair is long. It's all the way down to my behind. So you can't really see how puffy it is, but let me hold it up. And so you can see how puffy it is. Now, part of the reason why that happened is because when I did have my bonnet on, yeah, it was kind of just getting moved all over the place from me sleeping. So what the routine had been was I decided to put this up in a bun because the hair became too much at work for me, with the ponytail free flowing as well as the half wig free flowing. So I put the ponytail up in a bun, and it's been like this. Has stayed like this. It hasn't moved because I have it pinned down tremendously. Okay, I did use this big clip here to put my hair up in the back. So what I would do was just take this like this here, twist it, put it up, and put the clip on top right here like this. So let me turn around so y'all can see that. To keep it up. Then put a scarf around my edges, and I look crazy. Around my edges, and a satin bonnet on top of all of this. Now the problem with that is, if you lay on your back sometimes, which sometimes I do unintentionally lay on my back. I don't know that I'm laying on my back because I'm asleep. It will get frizzier. So instead of doing that, I decided to finger comb through this hair at night before I go to sleep and put some big twists in the hair, and then take all of those and then pin them up with this comb, and it has come out better. I have also been using products. I showed this in my last video, but I'll show it again. So I've been using this African Essence Control Wig Spray. I've been using this Wet and Wavy Frizz Free spray. It is for natural hair, but I have been somewhat using this on the wig as well, and some foam wrap. Now I don't use a lot of this because this can cause the hair to get matted and tangled more, and we all know with synthetic hair it's going to tangle. For like a one-time use or a daily, or even like for what I have for a week, it is possible to keep it looking great. You just have to perform maintenance on it just like you would any other wig or weave or wet and wavy hair. Even if it's crocheted, you do have to perform some type of maintenance on it to keep it from getting tangled and matted and all of that. The hair did not shed. So this whole week it has not shed at all. So that's one thing I did like. But other than that, I think it's worth the purchase. I really think it's worth the purchase. I love it personally, and because it says here on the card, let me see. I thought on here, yeah. So it says here on the card that it's safe with 350 to 400 degrees. I'm gonna do some playing around with this. I kind of want to change the curl pattern just a tiny bit to have bigger waves versus what's on this actual picture. So once I'm done wearing it and I do, you know, shampoo it and condition it, I'm going to roll it up on some flexi rods and I'm going to hot water dip it instead of trying to use an iron on it so I don't melt it, because my flat irons are the truth. And so I'm gonna turn them up too high, not paying attention, and will have burnt this wig. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Whenever I do that, I will probably do the ponytail part first since it's smaller, just in case it doesn't come out the way that I want it to. I can work on fixing it, but I will also share that with you when I decide to do it, but it won't be anytime soon because I'm now currently in my mind working out my next hairstyle. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this review. And my hair does look wild because I just got off of work. Yeah, I did a long shift at work. So I think it's worth it though. I do think it's worth it. It is worth it. It is worth it. And if you're not somebody who likes hair all the way down to their behind, do not purchase this unit because it literally stops at the top of my behind. Yeah. All right. Everyone have a lovely day.